Namaste everyone and welcome to my channel Sapna's Yoga Diary. This is day 12th and you are learning yoga from me from zero, from beginning. I am teaching you yogic Sukshma Vyayam. I hope you are enjoying the process of learning. If you are new, start from day 1. If you want to learn yoga from me in my live sessions which runs on Google Meet, contact me on my WhatsApp number. Take the standing position. Let's proceed forward. Okay, let me turn on the fan, which you cannot see. Alright, keep your feet together, head straight, eyes open, focus on your throat, breathe deep and loud. Somebody is here to see me. Okay, so that was my student Deepa who brought Sindhi curry for me, which she prepared for her family members. So sweet, just such a nice gesture. Okay, let's proceed forward. Move your head side to side as fast and as freely as is comfortable to you. Now move your head up and down, breathing normally, naturally. Now rotate one clockwise movement, one anti-clockwise movement. Complete 5 rotations and then relax. Okay, now inhale, arms up, exhale, arms down. Go as fast as is comfortable. Now, as you inhale, arms up, bend back from the upper body, exhale, return. Now, as you inhale, swing your arms back, opening your chest and shoulder, exhale, return. Clench your fist with the right hand, hold it back with the left from the wrist, keep it in the middle of your back, feet together, eyes open. Inhale, bend back, exhale, bend forward. Now switch your arms, clench fist with the left, hold it with the right, keep it in the middle of your back. Inhale, bend back, exhale, bend forward. Okay, now stretch your arms sideways, deep inhale in the center, exhale, bend on the side, inhale back to the center, exhale other side. Keep moving. Now open your legs, shoulder level distance, extend your arms forward, fingers together, rapidly twist back, gazing at the thumb of back hand. Constant twisting, constant exhalation. Now, as you inhale, open your arms and legs. As you exhale, close. Don't hit your thigh, don't touch your head. Go as fast as is comfortable. Okay, now reverse breathing. Movement will remain same. Breathing will reverse. Exhale, open, inhale, close. Relax. Now balance with one foot, kick front and back with the other. Breathing normal, natural, and repeat the same thing with the other foot now. Kick front and back. Keep the leg loose with which you are kicking. When you are taking your leg back, try to hit your buttocks with the heel. Okay, now with every count, lift your heels up. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. Now I'm going to introduce Yogic Sthula Vyayam Sarvang Pushti in this video, in this session. So open your legs as wide as is comfortable, separate your toes, push your heels down to get a good grip on the mat. Clench your fist, thumb and fold it with the 4 fingers, arms up, left in front, right back, crisscross. Inhale, pull your body up, retaining the breath, twist back, bend your body on the left side, exhale, switch your arms. Inhale up, twist back, retaining the breath, exhale, this time on the right side, switch arms. Inhale up, twist back, exhale, left, switch arms. Inhale up, twist back, exhale, right, switch arms. Inhale up, twist back, exhale, left, switch arms. Inhale up, twist back, exhale, right, switch arms. Inhale up, twist back, exhale, left, switch arms. Inhale up, twist back, exhale, right, switch arms. Inhale up, twist back, exhale, left, switch arms. Inhale up, twist back, exhale, right, switch arms. Inhale up, twist back, exhale, left, switch arms. Inhale up, twist back, exhale, right, switch arms. Inhale up, twist back, exhale, left, switch arms. Inhale up, twist back, exhale, right, switch arms. Inhale up, twist back, exhale, left, switch arms. Inhale up, twist back, exhale, right, switch arms. Inhale up, twist back, exhale, left, switch arms. Inhale up, twist back, exhale, right, switch arms. Inhale up in the center, exhale, release. So that was Sarvang Pushti, the first yogic Sthula Vyayam. Now it's time to relax, legs apart, head, neck, spine in one straight line, arms few inches away from the body, palm facing the sky, body in the state of relaxation. After Sarvang Pushti, you will take some time to relax your body. Take your time, keep relaxing. There is no hurry. Relax. Relax. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Today, no deep breathing, no belly breathing, no chest breathing. Just keep your body still like a statue and watch your breath. See what is the pattern of the breath. Are you breathing slow? Are you breathing fast? Are you breathing rough? Are you breathing smooth? Are you breathing deep? Are you breathing shallow? What is the pattern of the breath? Just keep watching your breath, keeping the entire body still. Feel the flow of breath. As you start to watch your breath, your body will relax even more, deeper and deeper. Keep watching your breath for 2 to 3 more minutes till the whole body deeply relaxes, breath slows down, mind become calm. And with this, I conclude today's session. I hope you are enjoying the learning process. You learned something new today. Let me know how you're feeling about the practice and the whole process of learning. If you have any questions, put it in the comment box and I will reply to you. If you like the video, do give me a thumbs up, and if you are new, subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video. Till then, keep practicing, stay healthy. Namaste.